Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Microsoft Excel functions. Today we'll try to cover Microsoft Excel text functions, which are dealing with the text type of data. You can see here, if you click these functions and instead of all you click text, here there are functions. I have selected few important functions out of these which are really day to day in use, and these are really important functions. Normally these functions are important when you have huge data and you are collecting this data from different sources in different format. It could be text files, it could be different type of data, or you want to manipulate data. Let's say for example, data is in certain format and you want to change it. I will show you how. Then you can map as per your requirements, right? Okay, let's start. The first function is char function. It's a character function, so it's char. Normally computer understands ASCII language, so it saves. Let's say if we type A is equivalent to 65 in ASCII characters, right? So because computer don't understand what is A, when you type A, then it is converted to 65, and then 65 is converted to binary numbers. I am not going into that detail. That is, maybe we can have a separate video on that. Binary is just like 0 1 0 1 0 1. So let's say for example, it will switch on the IC or the circuit that number of times, on off on off on off. That means 65. 65 means A. Just maybe you will use somewhere, it depends. So let's say for example, if we have 65 and if we use this char function equal to char function and then we give this parameter, it will return us capital A, right? Let me give you one more example. Let's say for example, equal to char. Okay, let me change it here. 66, if you see here, 70, okay, 35, right, 100, right, 97. So you can use this ones. Sometimes you may need some character or something like that, right? Okay, now this is opposite of the first function code. Now here you have A, you want to have the ASCII value for that equal to code. What is the code of A? It will be 65, right? So if we type small a, 97, just like above. Okay. Okay, now this is important function now. Concat. Concat is when you want to join multiple texts or combine multiple texts into one. Let's say for example, here I have first name and this is last name. It depends. It normally required for the HR data or maybe customers information. Somewhere if it is in different cells, you want to combine things like that. Okay. Now here I will put equal to concat and first comma second close, right? See, the text is concatenated. Okay, we need one space there, so we will add one space here and comma, right? So space will also be as a parameter. Great, done. Okay, equal to concatenate this comma this. It's the same, equal to this. One is with the full spelling and another is I believe with short spelling. Okay, there is another concatenation sign, that is ampersand sign. So let's say for example, instead of doing this one, we will use equal to this ampersand sign this bracket close. Sorry, it's not a function, so we can call it like this. Okay, now we need again space, this space and ampersand sign, again the same way. So, in between each text you have to put one ampersand sign, this and sign, it is here, right. Okay. So, objective achieved. Now, if you see here, we had a challenge of space, we had to add one space. So, let us say for example, if there are 10 columns, so between each you will have to add 9 spaces. So, you need extra parameter. Okay. Now, here Oracle is introducing new function called text join. It seems it is in Office 365. Anyhow, equal to, let us try this one, text join. Okay, here it is showing delimiter. Okay, between this text what you want to add? It can be dash, it can be underscore, it can be space. So, as example above, we will add space. So, I will add one space, right. This is space, comma, ignore empty. If there is a cell empty, ignore, include result. So, I will press true, right. Then sorry, comma, what is the text was? First text, this one, comma, text 2. So, you can carry on with the comma. So, now we are not adding that space parameter. So, that is it, right. Now, let me try here, if we will add dash sign. See, the dash is added. So, how many characters you will combine? Text, see, these are the parameters. So, comma, 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 you do not need to put this space or space parameter again and again, right. That is it. Sorry, I had to put space here, space, right. Excellent. Okay. Another function for that is the dollar function. Dollar function is actually currency function. So, currency format. So, it will convert a number to text. So, let us say this is a number, it will convert to text in with the currency sign equal to dollar, and this is our amount. See, currency sign is also there and it is converted to text, right. How you can see this as text? It is left now justified. If you see it on the cell, it is on the left side. Here it is on the right side. So, this is number. Number will be always on the right side. Text or string, it will be on the left side. Okay. Let us continue our next function, which is exact. It will compare two text strings. Let us say for example, we have two texts, we have to compare. It is same or not same. Sometimes there can be spelling mistakes, you want to compare and things like that. Equal to exact string 1 and string 2. Okay. This is false, means these are not same. So, let me change this to 1. So, now these both are same, so it should return true, right. Easy way. So, you can compare, let us say for example, if you want to compare two strings, you can compare this. Format a number as text with a fixed number of decimals. Okay. Now, this is a number, we will convert it to text, but 2 decimals. Okay. Equal to fixed this number, how many decimals? 2. That is it, done. Okay. Now, next is the write function. Now, again these are important functions for especially while dealing with the text. Okay. Write is, let us say for example, this is your text. If you want to take few characters from the right side of your text, so this is for that purpose. Equal to write this, how many characters you want? Let us say 4. No, sorry, equal to write this one comma 4. See, soft. So, it will take from the right side, it will count 4 characters and it will return. Okay. So, sometime if there is a data you received from different sources, you want to extract some information like this. Okay. Next is left. So, this was right, this will be left. So, equal to left again let me take it 5 characters. So 5. So it is micro and soft, right? So we split it sort of. Okay, length. Now if we want to measure or count the number of characters or length of this, so equal to len length tab what this. Okay, it's 9 characters. So let me put it Microsoft COMPANY company. So it will calculate, and this space is also a character, right? So you have to count space as well. So let's say for example, if I see A, B, so these are 3 characters now, right? So if it is C, the 5, right? Because there are 2 spaces plus 3 characters, right? Okay, now mid. Just like above, we did left and right. So now it is mid to have few characters from the mid of the string. Okay, let's say for example, I will try to get from 3 onward, right? Equal to mid tab this text. From where to start? From which character to start? I will start from 4, that is R. I am just excluding MIC. So it will be ROSOFT, right? So number of characters. Okay, how many characters we need from this? So let's say for example, we need 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me put it 6. Done, right? Done. So ROSOFT. So MIC, the first 3 characters are truncated or removed. Good. Okay, next is lower function. Let's say for example, you receive data or maybe employee names in this format, you want to make them lower equal to, I mean small small letters, LOWR lower, this all will be converted to lower, right? Here it is proper. Proper means, let's say for example, if it is mix, proper means first character will be capital. Okay. So equal to proper, right? Microsoft is okay. Upper is, it is opposite of this. This is lower, so this is upper. Equal to upper and Microsoft. Done. See, all are converted to upper. It was lower here, right? Okay. Here is replace. Okay. If you see here, replace characters within text. So we will replace some text in this. So let's say for example, I will remove this RO. I will replace RO with the space, right? Equal to replace, okay, old text. What is the old text? This is our old text, right? Start number. Number will be our 4th number, right? Okay. Number of characters, how many? 2. Okay. New text, what? I will replace with blank. Okay. Enter. See, RO is removed, mic space soft is there now. Quite easy. Just you need practice, that's it. Okay. Next is repeat. Okay. Let's say for example, if you want to repeat this A or a star or any character multiple times, equal to rept this, comma, how many times? Let's say 8 times. Close. See. So let's say for example, I want to put it this, up to me. I mean it depends. 1, 5, right? So each character will be repeated. So let's say A, B. See, first A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, like this. So 8 times. Maybe somewhere you need this, up to you. Find one text value within another. So, but this is case sensitive. Keep in mind, this is case sensitive, right? Next one is search, which is not case sensitive. So keep in mind. Okay. Now equal to find. Let us try. Okay. Find text within text, right? Okay. What you want to find? This stuff within text, this text, and start number 1. right. So, if you see stuff means it is S is starting fourth character. So, from fourth character stuff is there. Okay. Now, here it is non-case. Let me put it stuff small. Okay. Now, it is giving error because this is capital and this is small. So, unable to search, right. Okay. Now, search function find one text value within another not case sensitive. Okay. Let us try. Okay. Let me try the same. So, it will give you a clear example. Equal to search. Okay. Find text. This is the text we have to find. Within this all parameters are same except now I will make it small, still it is there, right. So, this is the only difference, right. Okay. Substitute function. Substitute function means substitute new text value to, we will substitute something in the string. So, let us say for example, it was, let me put it Microsoft here again, and again we will, it is just like I will say replace and substitute will work the same way, I believe. There will maybe few parameters different. So, here we will substitute RO with space equal to SUB substitute text is my this text, substitute text. Okay, sorry, this one, this is my old text, right. New text, what you want to change. So, I will make it blank. Okay. Instance number first. So, whenever it will find first, it will change. Right. No. Something went wrong. Let me try again. Equal to SUB substitute text Okay, text is this, old text is what you have to search RO, then new text is blank, comma first instance. Now, it is okay, right. So, Microsoft now is there without RO, or you can change maybe instead of space I can put something else, right. So, that is replaced by this one. Okay. Trim function. Trim function, let us say for example, you receive some data from internet, you downloaded, there can be spaces on left or right. So, you can't work, right. So, let me put it some spaces and then I will say ERPstuff, then spaces. Okay. Now, you can't see, or you can see, but you have to remove manual, and just imagine you have 10,000 records. So, how you will remove? One way could be, let us say for example, you can select here and you can put control H and find and replace. You can put it here, this one, things like that, but it will remove spaces inside as well. So, let us say for example, ERPstuff, let me put it like this, ERPstuff and SUL consulting space. So, we do not know how many spaces are on left or right, but if we will find replace, it will remove this internal space as well between this ERPstuff consulting, right, which we do not want. We want only from left right. Okay. Trim this, close. So, now there are no spaces. Let me see, equal to length of this is 31 including spaces, equal to LN this, see spaces are removed. Okay. So, this was this function. Okay. Now, next is our text function, format a number and converts it to text. So, let us say for example, we have a number 22.224, right. So, equal to text this. Okay, if you have any certain format, else you can put it like this. Which format I should be giving? Format to number, constant. Let me set 99.99. No. Let me check its parameter. Excuse me. And by the way, always you can try this Oracle. Sorry, I'm saying Oracle. Microsoft Help. It is always there. The best thing is you should know a possibility or a function. Its usage will be required whenever you are working on certain data. Then you can take some assistance or whatever. So you can again watch the video, or you can go to Microsoft support and our manual. I don't know why it is not connecting. Let me check. I will check these formats, because there will be some certain formats. I will let you know. Okay, the value function converts a text argument to a number. Let's say, for example, I have received some data and it is in taxi. There is a string on the, let's say, inverted comma. So equal to value this, right? So it is converted to number now, right? This is opposite of this. I just need to check this format. Why I am not able to give this format text? I forgot this. No. Okay, here it is. Allah Akbar. See, these are the formats. Okay. Now got it. Okay. So there are different formats of date. You want to get a day. See, let's say, for example, from today, and you can put some percentages or whatever. So what I will do, let me take this one with, actually that 99 was of Oracle, I believe. So I am trying to use it here, which was wrong. Equal to text this comma this. Now if you want this dollar currency, you can put it there, else you can remove. So here you can maximize number of decimals. So now it is 3 decimals. You can put it 4 decimals, right? And you can remove the currency. If your values are more, you can put it more. Where is the sign, right? So if more value will come, it will be comma separated, right? Okay. I think we tried all functions, and you can play with these functions. Few will you really use them in your day-to-day work. I came across few users who were struggling with their data, and just with minor guidance on couple of these functions, they really survived. Otherwise, they were going to have a lot of efforts, right? So let me put it on top. Okay. So you don't need to learn all these functions, but you should just once practice, then you will know, okay, guys, if I want, there is something in Excel, yeah, I can do that one. So then you know, at least. If you don't know, then even you will not try to find. So my request will be, just go through this one, at least use once, Don't remember, don't do anything, but you will know, okay guys, to continue, there is a way in Excel. So you can find when you need it. Let's say, for example, right, left functions, very easy. The best is when you will type equal to and put the function name, it will give you the help as well. Hope you liked the video, and if there is any question, please comment, and keep visiting, because we will be uploading more videos on different topics. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.